Hi, I'm John and I run JPMotorservices. I started it about 10 years ago and it was just me, and now I have 2 staff and 4 ramps, and I do anything from servicing to major engine changes and major repairs.
What was the biggest frustration you had before working with TechMan?
So realistically, my previous product didn't do everything I needed it to do, and they never updated anything that we needed added on.
What made you choose TechMan over other garage management?
I looked at several different options, and I found that TechMan was a good price for what you got, and it looks a very comprehensive piece of kit.
How easy was it to get started with TechMan, the setup, training, onboarding?
Yeah, really good. We had some training, everything was transferred over from my previous garage management system, yeah, everything's gone really well, nice and easy to use.
So would you say TechMan's improved your day-to-day operations?
Yeah, definitely. The MOT and service reminders is the main one. Just gets me repeat business every year, and customers love having the reminders.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Really good. Whenever we've got an inquiry, we send a request and we generally get a phone call straight back, and what we need to be done is done.
Overall, was using TechMan easier than you thought it would be?
Yeah, it's really easy.
Would you recommend TechMan to other garages owners, and why?
I definitely would. Again, the reminders, it's easy, I can access it from anywhere, and I have recommended it to a few of the guys around here as well already.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.